Yo, America, land of opportunity, freedom, and really long visa applications? True story. Getting into the US can be tougher than understanding Bitcoin. But hold up, don't stress. Whether you're chasing the Hollywood sign or that Harvard acceptance letter, the right visa is your golden ticket. Think of it like choosing your character in a video game. Gotta pick the right one for your quest. Mess up the visa process and you're stuck in a real-life loading screen. Nobody wants that. That's why we're breaking it all down, step by step, so you can navigate the system like a pro. Ready to unlock your American adventure? Let's do this thing. First things first, what brings you to the land of stars and stripes? Tourist chilling on Miami Beach? Student crushing it at MIT? Or maybe you're a culinary genius, about to rock the food scene with your grandma's secret recipe. Each dream needs the right visa. Tourist visas, B1, B2, are your go-to for vacations, short visits, even medical treatment. Student visas, F1, M1, are for the brainiacs hitting the books. Work visas? Whole other ball game. H1B for the tech wizards, L1 for the corporate hotshots, O1 for the artists blowing everyone away with their talent. Pick the wrong visa, and it's game over before it even began. We'll break down the details later, promise. Alright, ready for the game plan? Step 1. Figure out which visa you need. The US Department of State website is your new best friend. They've got this handy tool that helps you pick the right visa faster than you can say In-N-Out Burger. Step 2. Time to fill out the DS-160, the online application form. Think of it like your online dating profile. But instead of swiping right, you're convincing the US government you're cool enough to visit. Be honest, be thorough, and triple-check everything. Step 3. Pay the visa application fee. It's like an investment in your American dream, right? Next up, schedule your visa interview at the US Embassy or consulate. Finally, gather all your documents. We're talking passport, visa photos, financial statements, the works. Think of it like packing for a trip, but instead of swim trunks, you need proof you're a stand-up citizen. Section 4. Don't trip at the finish line. Common visa mistakes. Okay, so you filled out the forms, booked your interview, you're practically on the plane. But hold your horses. People trip up at the finish line all the time. One big mistake? Not being prepared for the interview. It's not just a formality. They'll grill you on your intentions, your finances, everything. Know your stuff, practice your answers, and be confident. Another common blunder: providing false information. Look, we've all embellished on our resumes, but lying on a visa application? That's a one-way ticket to getting banned from the US forever. Oh, and don't forget about the small stuff. Passport not valid for at least 6 months past your trip. Application fee not paid. Consider your application toast. In Laosua. Section 5. Your visa arsenal. Essential documents you'll need. Alright, let's talk about the paperwork. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. First up, your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months past your intended stay. Next, visa photos. Follow the guidelines to the letter. No selfies with Snapchat filters, people. You'll also need your DS-160 confirmation page, the one you got after submitting your online application. Now for the financial stuff. Bank statements, pay stubs, tax returns, anything that proves you can support yourself while you're in the US. If someone else is sponsoring your trip, they'll need to provide their financial documents too. Depending on your visa type, you might need additional documents. Student visa. Get that I-20 form from your school. Work visa. Your employer should provide you with the necessary forms. Section 6. Acing the interview. Tips for a smooth visa journey. The interview. The moment of truth. But relax, it's not an interrogation. They just want to make sure you're who you say you are and that you're not planning to pull a fast one on them. Dress to impress. No need for a suit, but leave the ripped jeans and band tees at home. Be confident, but not cocky. Answer questions honestly and directly. Don't ramble, and don't go off on tangents about your pet goldfish. If you don't understand a question, ask for clarification. It's better to be safe than sorry. And remember, the consular officer is just doing their job. Be respectful, even if you're feeling stressed. Most importantly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through. Show them that you're excited about your trip and that you'll be a great ambassador for your country.